Okay, so next our instructions here say that we should use logical array indexing to find areas that are divisible by 3, okay, and we're going to use the rem function, the remainder function, to do that. And it says that we should create a logical array. Alright, so for my variable name I am going to use log array, and I'm going to have the condition be that the remainder of the areas array divided by 3 is equal to 0. So if the area is evenly divisible by 3, the remainder will be 0, and this will generate a two-dimensional logical array. Now before I run this in MATLAB, I want us to think about what this array is going to look like. So let's go look at our array and circle the areas that meet our condition that they're divisible by 3. Okay, so 10, no, 15, yes, 20, no, 12, yes, 18, yes, and 24, yes. Okay, so the logical array is going to have a 0 for the 10, it's going to have a 1 for the 15 because that meets the condition, a 0 for the 20 doesn't meet the condition, and then 1s for that entire bottom row because those are all divisible by 3. Okay, so let's run our section here and see if we can get MATLAB to tell us that. So, okay, run section, and sure enough, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, perfect. Now our instructions say that we should index out the good areas. Okay, so we're going to use the logical array to index the areas that meet our condition that they're divisible by 3 from the areas two-dimensional array. Okay, so I'll create a variable called good areas, and I will assign to that so I'm going to index out of the areas two-dimensional array using my log array logical array. Okay, and again I'd like us to think about what good areas is going to look like before I actually have MATLAB do that for us. Okay, so as MATLAB goes through arrays, it always starts in the upper left, goes down, okay, and then to the next, over to the next column and down, and then over to the next column and down. Okay, so that's how it always works itself through arrays. So when we index areas with this logical array, it's going to look here first. It's going to see that the logical array is 0 there, so it's not going to give us the 10. Then it's going to move down to the 12, see that the logical array has a 1 or true, and give us the 12. Okay, so let's write a 12 over here. Then it's going to come up here to the 15, see that that's a true in the logical array, give us the 15, come down to the 18, see that that's true, so give us the 18, come up to the 20, false, so no 20, and then down to the 24, and that's true, right, so it will add the 24. And the output is going to be a column vector in the order that we have written here. Okay, so let's make sure that that's actually correct. We will run the section, and sure enough, MATLAB gives us good areas in a column vector 12, 15, 18, 24, which matches what we predicted.